All right, today I am going to be inserting a new fresh block inside of a TomCat mouse killer bait station. It's a refillable bait station that is child and dog resistant. So I have the blocks right here, and then I have the bait station, which I unboxed. All right, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bait in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over, and it's child resistant, right? So we're going to have to figure this out. So there's a little lever right here. I'm just going to push that forward, and then there's two pressy things right here that you press to open up this part and put the block of bait in there. All right, so I'm just going to press this forward, pinch these sides right here, and it opens up like that, and I can put the block of bait inside of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the bait, block of bait. All right, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to just try to avoid touching it all together. I'm not going to even try to get it, even though I'm wearing gloves, I'm just going to try to avoid it all together. So I'm going to take the bait and put the block in there, just like that, all right? And then I'm going to take this back, and I'm going to put it back in like this, all right? And I'm going to press it down until it clicks into place. And then I'm able to place the block where I'm supposed to. And you look on the side of the TomCat box, it shows you places of where you should place it, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.